love the outdoors, this home is for you. Situated on Lake Jessie, which is on the chain of lakes, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, screened pool, 2 balconies overlooking the water. Let's go check it out. When you first walk in this home, you're gonna love the high ceilings. Coming downstairs, you've got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, 2 screened porches. You've got a gorgeous kitchen with plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinet space. You're gonna see the solid surface counters, stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile backsplash, lots of natural light really everywhere in this home. And why not go jump in that screened pool on a nice hot summer day, or just hit the boat, go enjoy the water. You've got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.